This is the teacher preview video for the Google Slides Equal Parts, and you can use this in Google Classroom. For all of my Google Slides presentations that I make, I do include a direction video for the students on the first slide, and this is just me manipulating my screen and showing the students exactly what they need to do on their screen. So as we go down, there are 20 practice slides, 2 equal parts, 4 equal parts, and there is one slide that's a challenge for 6 equal parts. So what the students are going to do is they're going to click on this collapsed line, and they're going to grab one of these blue dots with their mouse, and they're going to take their mouse like normal and wait for it to turn into a black T, just like that. They're going to click and hold down their mouse button and drag it to make it 2 equal parts, like that. Now it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but if they are one of those students that does need it perfect, then they can grab this and move it over a little bit and make it a little bit closer to 2 equal parts. But as long as it's straight and it's close to 2 equal parts, then I count it as good. So I'll go through a couple of these. These are all 2 equal parts, the turquoise ones. And if you notice, they all have one collapsed line, so they can then divide the shapes. Then we go into 4 equal parts. So these are now green. The same thing, we're going to click on it, make our cursor into a black T, click and extend that line. So there's 2 equal parts, and then do the same thing for the other way. And there is 4 equal parts. Again, they can move those if they're not satisfied where they are. So there we go. That one has 2 lines collapsed, 2 lines collapsed, 2 lines collapsed, 2, 2. Now this one does have 3 because they will go all straight down to make 4 equal parts. That one goes back to 2, and this one goes back to 3. And then the final one, this is just a challenge one to see if they can make 6ths for this hexagon.